John Joseph Xavier Cihon coming at you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And today we have the Jordan 4 black and red golf cleat that we're going to unbox and take a look at. Before we do that, if you haven't done so yet, please slap the like button and subscribe so you can get notified about videos that I release in the future. If you like this content, you'll be sure to get notified when new videos come out. And as well, it does really help. It's a small thing, but it really helps as well. There's a link to leave a tip. If you're able to do so and you appreciate this content, please do. If you can't, it's never expected. It's always appreciated. So with that out of the way, they just came in the mail. Let's open them up. So the first thing that I notice is Nike doesn't have that Just Do It tape that they put on the boxes. You know, the tape that the box is sitting on your front porch. It might as well say Just Steal It. So that's appreciated. Maybe they ran out because of the pandemic. Maybe they got complaints. I don't know. So we open it up. And we have just the regular Jordan box. So this is a retro. Normally the 4s, black cement 4 would have a retro box. But this just has the normal 2021 Jordan box. So we open it up. And there's a guarantee from Nike Golf because these are actually intended to be used as golf shoes. So I believe Nike shoes do have a durability warranty. You can exchange them, I believe, for up to 2 years. So if you have a pair of Nikes that wear out and they're less than 2 years old, but because these are designed to be worn as golf shoes, they go into a little bit more detail. And so, take it out. So, here it is. It looks like the black and red Jordan 4. This was originally issued in 1989, the original version of this. This is a golf shoe. You can see the cleats on the bottom. Michael Jordan is a big golf fan. Loves to golf, so he's been re-releasing some of his classic shoes as golf shoes. So first of all, this leather feels a little bit more plasticky than the original. It may hold up better, but it definitely feels less luxurious. Kind of a minus, but if you do intend to use it as a golf shoe, as I said, this may be a little bit more water resistant than the original, which was like a nubuck or a suede, and in my experience, that material did tend to wear. So this does feel cheaper, but it may wear a little bit better, maybe a little bit more water resistant. Now the big thing, this shoe has not released in a while. I know people who don't golf may be thinking about getting this shoe and removing the cleats. These cleats are removable. You need a tool, which I don't have because I don't golf. You need a special tool to remove them. But I don't recommend wearing the shoe if you're not golfing. This sole is hard plastic. You will slip and it will provide no comfort and no traction. And it will immediately scratch on concrete too. So this is just not designed to be worn. I have heard people talk about putting sole protectors on them. But again, it's very stiff, no flexibility at all. I would imagine it would not be comfortable for daily wear. You could do a sole swap, but by the time you buy these and a donor pair to do a sole swap, you might as well go buy the retro of these and pay whatever the resale price is now, because this listed at $220. It just came out and they're going for $300 or more. That's about normal. That's the way the market is in 2021. So again, if you want to golf, this nice looking shoe, obviously it's a classic. The black and red with the gray cement. So we know what it looks like. Do not recommend that you do anything. If you just want to collect it, that's cool. You want to golf in it, that's awesome. That's what it's made for. I would highly advise you to not get these to wear if you're not going to golf in it. Just don't do it. You're in for a world of disappointment. So here they are, though. And we do have the Jumpman on the back, so we did not go with the original Nike Air on the back. And for golfing, like I said, I'm not a golfer. They do have the clear sole as well on the bottom, so that is kind of nice. If I was a golfer, I would be all about these. So again, the material, it's a little bit slicker than I remember the original material feeling. Feels a little bit more plasticky. So if you're on the fence about these, I mean, the purpose of these is to show up on the golf course and look fly. So if that's what you want to do, these are it. Otherwise, for the money, I might get a more dedicated golf shoe, a more traditional golf shoe rather. This is a dedicated golf shoe. But this is it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you golf, if you've worn these shoes to golf, or if you've worn any of the Air Jordan shoes to golf. How do they hold up to other choices? How is the quality? I'm not 100% sold on these. I'm really not. I just opened them up, and maybe someone in the comments is going to love them. And if you do, great. Please, if you think I'm wrong, let me know, because this is not my forte. These are already sold, so they're going to go on to a buyer who I hope golfs in them and enjoys them. So let me know what you think. And again, if you haven't done so, slap the like button, subscribe, leave a tip if you're able to, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.